that is full of what you like doing, than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. Do it yourself. Actually, 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are back at it again with the next look for this Halloween season. Well, that went kind of fast. So we're just going to get right into this video. So first and foremost, we are doing Sally. And I am once again just doing the outline. So basically for this part, it would just be best if you just watch this part. So for the chest, I just drew an upside down triangle as you see right here. So that's basically it. We're going to do the rest of the clothes later in the video. So we're going to move on to painting the face. So I mixed the Snazaroo light blue and the white paint together just to give that white or that bluish white look that Sally has. So that's all I'm doing. And I'm painting the face, the neck, and the chest. So with this concoction of paint, I actually didn't have to do as many layers as I did with Jack the Skeleton, so that was a blessing. But now I'm just highlighting the face with the white paint, as you would kind of do if you were contouring your face. So under the eyes, on the chin, on the upper lip, and the forehead, and down the bridge of the nose. So with this step, I'm just drawing the eyelids, basically creating... I don't even know what the shape is, but creating the eyelid shape, and then I'm filling the eyes in with white just so we can start the eye look. Before we move on to the eyes, we're actually going to contour the face. So I'm taking this light blue from the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and we are going to contour the cheeks, the chin, the forehead, and contour our nose. It's okay if the texture of your face is a little patchy. We really want to give Sally that more like doll, rustic doll look to where she kind of looks worn down. So it is perfectly fine. So now we're moving on to the eyes. So taking that same blue, I'm just going to start shading under the eyes as if we were shading our lower lash line. So now outlining the eyes, I'm outlining the eyes with black paint. So once we have that completed, we're going to start darkening the under eye area. So I am taking a dark blue, but then I'm also going to go in with a black just to give it a little bit more depth to the eye look. So I did one of my eyelids off camera, so as you can see. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the thick eyeliner that Sally has for the eyes. So just create a thick liner going above the actual eye. And then we are going to start shading the inner and outer part of the eyelid with that dark blue black shade and leaving the center part that light blue. And then I actually did go back in with the black paint and outline the top part of the lid. So we're going to come back to the eyes later because I'm actually going to add the eyelids or the eyelashes off camera. So we're going to work on the stitching. So for the stitching, I'm going in with the same light blue and shading it to the darkness that I want. And we are going to put this above the eye, on the sides of the mouth and under one of the eyelids. And then just for the stitching, oh, I also go in with black paint to make it a little bit more darker. And then for the stitching, you can do this however you want to. I was just creating curvature lines, X's, diagonal lines. So you're going to do that for all the lines that you have on your face. Also going to create the same stitching going down the neck and kind of across the neck. You're going to see in the next clip what that looks like. Bow bow. I did add the eyelashes, and basically all I did was create little Y shapes curving into the face instead of out of the face. So we're going to move on to the chest. So I'm going in with that yellow paint by Snazaroo, and we're going to paint one side of the chest yellow and then one sleeve on the opposite side yellow, and then we're going to paint the other side of the chest pink and then the other sleeve green using the same brand of paint. We haven't switched anything up. I'm not going to show you the paint part because it's going to take forever. So now we're going to add some shading. So on the yellow side, I go in with some orange just to deepen up and make her clothes look a little bit worn down. Then for the pink side, I go in with some red eyeshadow. Any red eyeshadow will do. As you can see, it looks like it's creating a darker pink shade. And then for the green side, I actually go in with a dark green, mixing it with some black just to give it a little bit more depth to the sleeve. So make sure you outline the entire dress piece or chest piece, I will say. This didn't need to be shown because all I did was outline it. I'm going to add some shading to the actual chest so that it looks like the dress is creating a shadow. I also created little collarbones for her too to make her look like she's an actual real person. So I did add the stitching to both of the sleeves. I also added the lines to the yellow sleeve. You can pull a reference picture for this. I also did the squiggly lines that are on the pink side of her chest. Just draw little swirls and you are good to go. And this is what it looks like. So now we are going to move on to the lips. So for the lips, I'm just going in with a red lipstick. Any red lipstick will work for this. You can go in with a burgundy lipstick if you wanted to, or brighter orange lipstick. I decided to go in with a blue base lipstick because I thought it looked the best. Now we're going to do the pupils. Honestly, the pupils was probably the hardest part because you have to get them symmetrical on both sides. I did my best, but you'll see how they look in the end. Alright y'all, so this is it for the video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M.B Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next Halloween video. Bye guys!